Throughout centuries and across continents, there's one dish that stands alone, or as a topping, with all the various notes and flavors ranging from traditional chocolate and vanilla all the way down to oyster. Yeah, we won't acknowledge that one.
We're at Bubs and Gracie's. Today, Miss Marsha is gonna teach me how to make some mango ice cream. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never made ice cream a day in my life.
Really?
Ever. I just eat all of it. So I'm very excited.
Hi, I'm your host, Alyssa Johnson, and welcome to Girl Meets, a series where y'all will come along with me as I try different things in our community for the very first time. Today, we're going to Bubs and Gracie's to embark on a delicious adventure into the world of ice cream.
I definitely have heavy whipping cream, whole milk, and eggs just to make the base. So you can start pouring the milk.
Oh, I'm excited. Okay.
And it doesn't matter which way you do it. All of them, it goes all in the same.
Do you see that flow? It's like I was made for this.
Yes, you were made for it. How did you know?
I just woke up one day and I was like, this is it for me.
This is what I need to do.
This is it.
Well, now that we've poured the milk, now we're going to put the frozen mangoes
Okay.
in. You can use your spatula.
My
to help
handy
you.
dandy
Spatula.
spatula. Okay. Ooh, it's a little slippery.
Yes, it is. It actually is. That's why we freeze it, so we can handle it a little better. Next, we're going to do the brown sugar.
Okay. Now, I have a question. Why
Sure.
brown sugar and not like regular?
Brown sugar has that extra unctuousness to it.
Yeah.
So next, we're going to put in the vanilla, and then you pour, I'll say it's my cinnamon spice blend.
Ooh.
I got something for you.
Ooh. This is like the biggest immersion blender this is like military grade.
Now you're playing with power.
This is safe?
It's safe.
Did I have to sign a waiver for that?
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Okay.
You just stick it in, and I'll help you turn it around. Turn it all the way till it hits the bottom.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn it around a little bit.
Yeah.
So you're gonna hold on to it tight,
Oh, Lord.
and I'll turn it on for you. And that, you can pick it up a little bit, and it blends all of the frozen mango,
Yeah.
all the stuff that's in it. So you can kind of pick it up a little bit.
I'm terrified.
I might pick it up just because, the mango is frozen.
Yeah.
And so you kind of want to get all the chunks out and blend it properly, but it's really ready to go.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Thank you. So here goes the fun part,
The carrying.
the carrying. So we take it off, and I clean off the blender.
Oh, look at all that cinnamon in there.
Then we take it to the kitchen so we can blend ourselves some ice cream.
Now we're off to mix our ice cream. Did you know that the first ever patent for an ice cream machine was granted in the 1840s by a woman named Nancy Johnson? Her small yet simple hand crank revolutionized the process of making ice cream. Today, we use a more modern approach by using an electric ice cream machine that provides us with a creamy concoction just within minutes.
Pour it.
Yeah. So like,
Take your time and
pour it.
The ice cream will take about 8 minutes to churn. In the meantime, Marsha and I will be making what will be swirled into the ice cream at the end of the churning process. In a bowl, we're going to be adding some fresh mango, crystallized ginger pieces, and a signature blend of spices. Let's check to see how the ice cream is doing and add in our mango swirl.
you don't have to be shy.
Don't be shy, okay.
Don't be shy. We're gonna make it pretty, so when we put it in the
Oh, it looks all nice and there's a
it
little.
has a pretty look to
The
it.
ice cream needs to freeze for 24 hours. Fortunately, Marsha made some ahead of time so that way we could enjoy it together.
All right, first bite. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. The frozen mango really blends in there very well. So why ice cream?
Because it makes people happy. People love ice cream. People come. It's always like there's always a memory attached to good ice cream, or going to the ice cream shop, hanging out with your family, hanging out with your friends, something to do, something wholesome.
Well, thank you so much for teaching me how to make ice cream. I've never done it before, and that was so fun
Absolutely,
and like very soothing
it is,
and
It is.
equally delicious.
Thank
So,
you.
yeah.
Like when I sit down and I start making the ice cream in the pints, nothing else really matters.
Yeah.
That's why I need to have extra hands in here.
Yeah.
Because I go in my own world.
Well, just
like I gotta get.
You
this
give
done.
me a call when you want help again, and I will come running.
You got it. You got it.
I can think of no better way to end my day than with a special treat. Now, don't get me wrong, the ice cream was an amazing treat. But learning about ice cream with friends was an even better one.